we're not gonna install that for now. So I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but I am gonna work on my car. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there. So if you guys are wondering what car I'm in right now, I am in a GS 300. So you guys can see the steering wheel. This used to be my Vertex steering wheel before, and I feel like my interior is kind of getting boring. So I'm gonna put my quick release back on and my short bell hub back to my car so I could use this steering wheel again, because driving the OEM steering wheel feels so huge for no reason, and I feel like I'm driving a school bus, which I don't really like. Everything should be off now, but let's wait for like 5 minutes just so everything could discharge and not blow an airbag right in our face. So it's been 5 minutes, and first things first, we gotta remove the airbag, and by doing that, there should be 3 holes on the side. You guys see that hole right there? So what you guys want to do is grab a screwdriver or an Allen key. There's like a little spring system that you guys gotta kind of like maneuver using this. So if you guys want to know if you did it right, the airbag should lift up on one side, because there's I think 3 holes, right? There's one to the right, one to the left, and one at the bottom. And if you guys did it on the right side first, one side of the airbag should lift up, and from there you just gotta do the rest, and you can pop the airbag out. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys saw that, but take a look. So that's one side. You guys can see how created a gap. So we got 2 more sides, which is the right and the bottom, so we could pull this out. And then after that, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, so you guys could get a visual if you guys are doing it by yourself. Alright, so we finally did it. Everything is off, and right here is what the inside look like. So there are yellow and orange airbag connections, and this is the horn, I believe, this blue wire. So what we're gonna do is disconnect that. To disconnect it, since I don't have the black tabs over here, I think I lost it, but let me show you guys what to do here on this side. You guys are gonna take a flathead and just pry it up open. There's like a little edge. I think I could just pop this off like that, since it doesn't have a black bar or black tab. Then for this one, you pop the tab up right there. You guys can see that. Then after that, we can just pull it, because it doesn't, it's kind of like the locking mechanism for the airbags. And we have the airbag out. So the next part is we gotta remove this nut. This what's hold the steering wheel, and we gotta disconnect this. And I believe this is 17 or 19. Alright, so before we remove the nut on the steering wheel, let me show you guys how the tab looks like, the spring tab. I was using this Allen wrench, and you guys can see there's a lot of scratches on the side, because it took me a couple of tries right there. So to take this off, we gotta insert the Allen key or a small flathead, and we gotta just push this up. You guys can see how it's kind of like springy. You're gonna need some force to push this up, and sometimes you're gonna miss and you're gonna do it again. Once this up, it will release this. Yeah, it's kind of hard, but if you get the hang of it, you'll get it easy. Alright, so the nut on this one, it is 17. This is the aftermarket nut, and I lost the OEM one, but I'm not sure if the OEM one is 17 also. I believe it's 19. I think it's 19. So make sure the steering wheel is straight, and I recommend you guys using a impact because it's way easier taking this off. So I got an extension because it's not reaching all the way to the end. Then let's send it. Make sure to hold the steering wheel, and just like that. I believe this came from my Works Bell short hub that I'm gonna show you guys after I take this washers off right here. And this is my Work Bell short hub. If you guys are wondering. I don't think Energy makes one for an ND yet. Maybe they do now because I got this like 2 years ago. But now we're on to the one of the hardest part, I guess, for some people. But I feel like I found the trick on how to do this. There you go. You guys seen that? That's literally the trick on how to do this. Alright, so for my first timers, this is a thing called clog spring, okay? Make sure you guys do not mess this up because one of my first mod when I modded this car was a quick release steering wheel. I know it's kind of dumb, but I feel like it's cool to me. And I messed this thing up and therefore there was hella light on my dash after that. And this is very important. Make sure do not touch it, do not rotate it, don't do anything. And then from there, we can just take this Works bell hub and feed the airbag light through it. And by the way, if you guys mess this up, you're gonna have to buy a new one because it's impossible to fix that. And the new one are like $300, which is insane. There we go, make sure it's flush. Make sure there's no gap around it. I don't think I'm gonna install a horn because to be honest, I don't know how to install that yet. Yeah, we're not gonna install that for now. We're just putting everything back in and make sure to use this. Alright, so I have this Energy, put all the hardware in. Literally just tightening everything up with a small Allen wrench. And I'll get right back to you guys when everything is finished. Alright, are you guys ready for the last piece? Here we go. The other Energy quick release are installed as well. And the only thing to do is... Hold on, let's do another one. Yo, we got the 2.0 quick release, you know the vibe. Damn, I forgot how close the steering wheel is. Literally changes the whole thing. And if you guys are having trouble, ask me any question. And if you guys know how to install a horn, make sure to maybe send me a link from YouTube or something. I'm gonna try to do it for y'all. Yeah, I gotta run some errands real quick and I'll see you guys if I have more vlog to film, which I think I do. Then I'm gonna see you guys then. Alright, so this is the next day. We're going to the car meet right now. It is 5 minutes away. This is unplanned. It's a last minute car meet, but it should be popping. Some of the Evade member has some new goodies on their cars, and I'm gonna show you guys what they look like in a minute. We have 4 minutes left, and I think they saved me a spot, and we'll see. I'll catch you guys there.
Better in person.
Hey, don't look at it closely, bro.
Okay, I won't. Damn, that shit's fucking high, dude. Dinoco! I can move my car so you can park with them. Fuck, dude.
You sure? Alright. Alright, bro.
You look so good.
Thank you, bro.
How you been?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hi. Hey, I'm on fucking film. I'm trying to do the same shit.
You have
On
the
my
good
right high.
camera.
Huh?
You have the good camera.
I know, but I left it at home. All I have is my phone right now.
That works.
I wonder who owned it. This is the prospect they said. Damn. It's like grayish, huh? It's like black and white.
She just wanted to tip, no advice on the side of the road with some wrist roll.
Can I show you my stuff? It's a little sample. Hi. My wife says hi, by the way. She likes all the girls.
And I might be off something, but I'm all in now.
That transition
She
was
got a
good?
car in now.
Okay.
I don't think that you should work tomorrow. She said, first of all, I'm still going in.
You guys want to see the lineup? You guys may have seen this before from the Spocom video. Yes, it is now red, but look at this fitment.
I forgot all about it.
See, I'm trying to get that fitment in the front, but the uppers ain't giving enough camber. This is the rear. This is my boy Rod, tucking in the rear. You guys can see that. This is my boy Caesar, static, tilted too. It's all tilted over here. Damn, they're making my tilt look so baby. They're making my shit look weak. I'm embarrassed right now, look. I thought mine was a lot. Holy.
I got time for this. Minus the bullshit, I'm cool now. Look at my common sense, and I'm just realizing this. No, my soul isn't trapped, but what's holding me back is the old me. In fact, I'ma get intact, I'ma get it back. Mama, hold me to that, just hold me to that. Don't stack me and Jack, got the city on smack. That's word. That's words to catch 18 all the way to Newburgh. It was only me and her. I don't care what you heard. Only me and her.